Yeah, he sets my body in motion.
So my brows is done. I haven't finished yet. This is why I love the fact that I did do microblading, because even though I will retouch it with this, but the thing is that you have already your brows, so you know where you're going. Like if I don't have my brows, I don't know where I'm going. I am sorry if you cannot really understand me. I have bumps in my mouth right now. Like it's difficult. Like I don't know why I did, but since my birthday it's been difficult. So I'm gonna use this by NARS. This is the Pro and Shine Control Primer. So before I was using the Smooth and Protect Primer, which is like a smoothing primer. And now I have to go on that. The thing is that it's really mattifying, but not like really mattifying, but it's like I do find it that it does control. So I love doing always like the front of my hair. You know, I can know where to stop. Yeah, I should stop putting primer right now. But so yeah, by NARS. After that, always on my nose, because this is where I do have foundation that is moving. After I use this by MAC, so this is the MAC Prep and Prime, actually, yeah, Prep and Prime. So this is like a stick, and I just put it where I have dark. Let it sit a minute. After, so when it's winter, I kind of do it reverse or twice, I don't know how to say it, but basically I will put like this my contour stick just like before the foundation, just to so now that my face is prepared, I'm just gonna blend everything in. So with everything orange, I like to go with my hands a little bit, because like this mustache, I'm such a kid, I'm sorry. And after, always spray this. I'm gonna say you're officially over. So go on it, blend it into the skin. Yes, I know, I look crazy right now, but it's for the final look is gonna be good, okay? I love taking, so this is by Becca. This is the Shimmering Skin Perfecting Spotlight. I hope I'm not looking crazy. I hope I'm not looking cray, you know? And just like take that. Blend it into the skin. Can you see what this is doing? I love using this like when I'm not putting any foundation on, because like it just like highlight. Look at that. Like, can you see this? Can you? Let me show you. Can you see this? Wait, I forgot. I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer before my foundation, because I don't know why. In winter, I get this more. So using the L'Oreal Infaillible in Honey. There is a little better. So now that the craziness is over, we are gonna do the foundation. This is gonna be one of the last step of creams before I put back my highlight corrector, well, my highlight concealer, sorry. So I'm using this little baby, Can't Top Won't Stop. I love, my color is mahogany. I love the price. I like to pump it up like right there, 3 pumps in here, and a little bit on the nose. So yeah, I don't know, I find I have more control over it. And then
nah. No drama, no drama, yeah. No drama, no drama, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
I bet you can see how my face is looking right now. Like, it's smooth. It's like, see the pimple hair? You know what? I'm good. I'm not gonna even talk about it. Using my Revolution in C12.5 in Superside Conceal and Define. Is not this color. It's not this color. Where's the other one? In C12. Can you see the difference? Yeah, okay, we're good. So because I like to be very symmetric, I'm just gonna put one there. That was not the color I thought. Okay, here, there you go. Please, thank you. I love doing this. A little bit down the nose, and here, here, here. I don't know, but I love like mixing it in, you know. Let it like that, and we are gonna mix everything in and do it.
Reputation, they be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Like, everything is very subtle. Like, in the winter, I go for no makeup look. So yeah. Bueno, see, now that we are done with everything regarding creams, we are gonna move on to powders. So I am in love with the Laura Mercier. So you know this, you have seen it. It's about this much to bake and to do the rest of my face. So taking like a
Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but
I always leave a little bit here and here. How's that? I am gonna do my eyes, and with the rest of it, I just like put it all over my face. I use Bobbi Brown. Like, I think since 3 years ago I started using this, and this is the only bronzer for me that is the perfect shade. Winter, with my color in winter, with my color in summer. She do the job. Like, just a matter of controlling yourself. Hey guys, what do you think? So I just went ahead and did my inner eye and under my eyes so that I can feel more alive. That's it. I will stop with this. So what do you think of the last look? This is actually all the products that I use to feel more beautiful each day. So this is my current beauty routine. Sometimes I just do just eyeliner and mascara and the rest of the face. So I do find like I look more style, I look more snatched and everything. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. It was my pleasure shooting this for you. This is of course for all my chocolate caramel girl, you know, all my chocolate, but this is also can be used for you, my lovely vanilla girl. Just shit. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was such a pleasure shooting it for you with my bon. Say hi, bon. Hi. Yeah. So it was my pleasure shooting this for you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and see you in my next video. Bye.